Hey folks, how you doing today? Today we're going to go over the GANSS Cherry MX TKL keyboard. Here's the box. Nothing real special. I think it's a GS87D, maybe, probably. Open it up. I already took it out. Blah blah blah. Nice white cable, of course. Goes with the white board. Keyboard protector, whatever. Key puller, and I think that's actually it for this one, so get this out of the way. Alright, what do we got here? What do we got? What we got is a dang excellent keyboard here. So plastic build, you know, this was, oh gosh, I should have checked. I want to say $95. I think it was $95. Yeah. Okay. So first off, the color scheme. Love it. Absolutely love it. I'm not into flashy keyboards tremendously, and this thing is subtle and excellent. Professional looking, shall we say. Yeah, so sure, let's not move around here. You get your little cable layered areas you can get the cable out of. And then on the back we have things, on-off switch for USB, USB-C, one level of flippers. And what's interesting here, it's Bluetooth, but not rechargeable. Interesting. Okay. You might see a little bit of a pink. So what that is out of the box, this had kind of like a hollow kind of sound. I was thinking, man, I bet I can make that better. So I took it apart and I stuck a piece of compressible foam in the bottom of it, and yeah, it dampened it up a notch. So things about this: the font, excellent. The fonts are excellent. They have no problems. They're as good as fonts get, give or take, depending on your preferences and things. But these, ooh boy. That's some good stuff right there, baby. Oh yeah. PBT. Let's see if I can try to get a key puller. Let me get a key puller. Okay, I got one. Alright, so we'll get one of these guys. Now I did choose cherry blues. I mostly use browns, so you know, change it up a little. These are not thin. They are excellent PBT caps. So I just wanted to pull one off. Cherry browns. And also, surprisingly enough, Lubbed Stabs. Yeah. Now these are blues, so it's a little hard to tell, but you know the deal. Nice sharpening cookie. Yeah, so Lubbed Stabs, PBT, steel plate, does have a nice thick steel plate. I put dampening foam in it, didn't have that to start with. Bluetooth, but AA battery type Bluetooth. What else? You can switch it between Windows and Mac mode. There's a key combination. You know, people can find out about that. So the question might be, why review this? Why do we care? Well, first off, TKL, I can't really get a lot smaller than that, so TKL is kind of like as small as I like to use for my daily driver. I absolutely adore the fonts. I love the color scheme. Everything about this is pretty much like sweet spot awesome. Trying to think of anything else that we would care about, but like, yeah. Just, you know, it's blues clicking all the way. Do I recommend this? I absolutely do. Everything about this is just right. Just right. There's no RGB, no funky stuff. I would think this would be for a typist. The way I have this configured with the blues and all, yeah, you can type a million miles an hour with this, and It's very satisfying, very excellent. Everything about this, perfect. Many thumbs up, 95 bucks. You can pull this out of the box and use it like crazy. And if you care, I did just, let's see, yeah, to take the panel off and put some foam in here, I just put a guitar pick between the edge here and slid the whole top off and stuck some foam in there, stuck it back, and popped it all back together. That's about it. Easy mod. And actually, I think the packing foam that came with the keyboard I shoved in there. All right. So yeah, GANSS GS87D. Highly recommended. Excellent out-of-the-box keyboard. Anybody could get this and be very happy. Right on. Have a great day, folks. Bye.